I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If your Eurostar train is delayed and you're looking for a refund, follow these steps to make the process easier. Step 1. Check the delay policy. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Eurostar.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Gather your information. Collect all necessary details, including your ticket number, travel date, and the train number. This information will be crucial for your refund request. Step 3. Submit your claim online. Go to the Eurostar customer service page and find the refund request form. Fill it out with the required details and submit it. Step 4. Keep an eye on your email. After submitting your claim, check your email regularly for updates from Eurostar. They may request additional information or confirm your refund. Step 5. Follow up if necessary. If you don't hear back within a few weeks, don't hesitate to follow up with Eurostar. Sometimes claims can get lost in the shuffle, so a gentle reminder can help. Remember, patience is key during this process. Good luck with your refund, and I hope your next journey is smoother.